Hey guys, welcome back to Sky Talks Trading. My name is Sky and I am on a quest to invest. Today's video is all about WorkHorse. We're going to be talking about some updates, some news, and of course, some short squeeze action. Just please remember that I am not a financial advisor and this is for entertainment purposes only. So straight off the bat, WorkHorse cost to borrow jumped more than 200% yesterday. Ortex data shows the new estimated max to short has went from 11.96% to 25.24%. So it is getting more and more expensive for the hedge funds to short. We're also getting back to that 40.38% short interest for WorkHorse. Brad Lamensdorf, who co-manages the Advisor Shares Ranger Equity Bear ETF, which is meant to be used as a hedging tool. He said in January that a percentage of short sales to total shares available for trading of over 30% to 40% is outrageously high. And actually, there are only 9 stocks among the Russell 3000 shorted more than 30%. During a follow-up interview on June 14th, Lamensdorf said hedge fund managers were reducing their use of leverage to take short positions. He said, and I quote, "They don't need as many shorts. They think in this environment shorting isn't helping them hedge risk. It is actually creating more risk." He then went on to say that anecdotally, hedge fund managers have been using complete buy stops to automatically cover short positions more quickly than they used to. So that's very interesting and something to definitely keep in mind. So when it comes to general WorkHorse updates, fundamentals, good news, they've got the UPS contract coming soon. And before that happens, Congress will pass infrastructure package and electric vehicle stocks will fly to the moon, as they say. All federal and state vehicles will be electric vehicles and commercial are on the same path. WorkHorse owns patents for drones that launch and return to their electric vehicle delivery trucks. No one else has this tech, let alone actual electric vehicle delivery trucks on the road like WorkHorse do. They're also going to have the FAA drone approval this year. They have over $600 million of EV truck orders. They also have electric vehicle refrigeration prototypes. When I heard this, I thought it was like for their snacks and their beverages, but I think it's for like delivering produce and things that need to be kept cold. But also they can put their snacks and their beverages in there. They're ramping up exponential EV truck production with Hitachi, and the Horsefly drone passed all 45 stringent tests that also involve humans, delivered organs. So yeah, that's right, they're delivering organs. Imagine if like you got the wrong delivery. you were waiting for some like LED lights to put up in your bedroom and you just get a human heart. And IKEA trucks, they continue to be spotted using WorkHorse trucks. The institutional ownership continues to increase debt-free, $250 million cash on hand. Also, there's a lot of buzz happening over an apparent patent that may be of interest. A Metron trademark registration filed by the company on June 14th is circulating around trading desks. So the USPTO filing is as follows. Metron trademark registration is intended to cover the categories of telematics systems, namely downloadable and recorded computer software and related hardware, and devices therewith for collecting, storing, processing, transmitting, and reporting data for purposes of vehicle fleet monitoring, vehicle fleet management, vehicle fleet operations, review and analysis of vehicle fleet diagnostics, and vehicle fleet performance optimization, telematics apparatus, namely wireless internet devices that provide telematic services and have a cellular phone function, downloadable and recorded data analytics software for vehicle fleet management, all of the foregoing excluding goods for use in the field of defense, warfare, military simulations, and aviation. So yeah, that is very curious, very promising. WorkHorse is also on the list of hot Reddit stocks. Strangely enough, people are kind of having trouble posting about WorkHorse on Wall Street Bets. Maybe this is getting a bit controversial, but there's some talk of some corruption happening over there on Wall Street Bets because people are putting up, very good DD, which stands for due diligence, posts about WorkHorse, very bullish posts. and getting a lot of likes and comments, but they're getting removed by moderators, which is strange. I don't know what's happening there. So let's not forget that on Friday we have the Russell Index entry, and this will increase tremendous buying support. We've also got the new vehicle concepts that are being shown this week at Lordstown. You know, there's also some advanced discussions regarding partnership funding, asset-backed financing, or ATVM loans. That will push WorkHorse forward to multiply funding. A newly designed website that will be launched with deposit-based reservations. And then on Friday, again, they've got the virtual live from Lordstown. That's happening on Friday at 2:30 p.m. You know, short or no short, like I've said in my last WorkHorse video, this is definitely a winning stock for sure. Something else that I have to talk about is these new laws, these new rules that are coming in. We have the NSCC 801, which has already been approved, and the NSCC 002, which comes into effect today, I think. And they are designed to work in tandem. The NSCC 801 means that all hedge funds holding short positions will be constantly monitored in real time and will have to report the value of their short positions versus their actual monies at hand by the minute. And if they fail to report for whatever reason, or their short position exceeds their security deposits, they will get an immediate warning to cover their position within the hour. Failure to do so could/will lead to NSCC immediately overriding operations and liquidating the hedge funds entirely. Then there is the NSCC 002. So in a nutshell, this covers the amendments to the NSCC's supplemental liquidity deposit, the SLD requirements. In particular, the calculating and collecting of such SLDs when applicable each business day rather than only during the monthly options settlement periods as was previously required. So what are the ramifications of this? Well, the ramifications of 801 and 002 are actually huge and highly likely to redefine the shorts market as we know it. We may not see these short squeezes of such magnitude again. This tightening will hamper their ability to short/naked short, meaning only a moderate increase in volume should see WorkHorse break through their firewalls and ladder attacks from Wednesday onwards, so from today onwards, leaving them no option but to cover their positions or risk margin calls. So guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for listening, and let me know your thoughts, your opinions, your feelings down below, and until next time, have a great day guys. I'll talk to you soon.